Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hyperlink in LinkedIn post. So if you want to post on LinkedIn and you want to make a hyperlinks, so this video is absolutely for you. Without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up the LinkedIn homepage, and you guys can see here the linkedin.com is open and homepage is open here. So what you have to do is just simply tap on start a post to add a post. So I'm just tapping on start a post. Now what you have to do is here, just write your thoughts like hyperlinks. I just want to add YouTube hyperlink here. So for that, I have to just simply tap on the youtube.com. Go to youtube.com. Just a second. So you guys can see the youtube.com. I have write it, and you guys can see the automatically picture is displaying here. So what you have to do is when you have to just simply tap on the it to post. So whenever you will hit to post it, you have to just simply tap on post, and you guys can see YouTube hyperlink post has been posted on LinkedIn. So whenever you click on this picture, you will be automatically directed to youtube.com. You guys can be able to see here is the hyperlink post one. And other method of posting the hyperlink on LinkedIn is you have to just simply go back. The second method of adding the hyperlink to post is you have to just simply open up this right article button. So after tapping on that, the right article section will be opened here. So if you want to add an article, hyperlink in an article, you have to just simply select this option and simply add some of the title. You guys can see after that, you have to simply add a hyperlink of YouTube. So for that, you have to just simply write a sentence here. So I think YouTube, yeah, YT is best. So after that, you have to just simply go to highlight that specific word in which you want to add the hyperlink. So I'm just highlighting the YT to make it hyperlink, and just simply go to after highlighting that, simply go to this link section. You guys can see here the link button. Just simply hit the link and simply go to paste the link of that specific URL. So I'm just tapping on youtube.com, because whenever you have to simply click on apply and simply go to next and simply tap on next to create add the post. So whenever someone click on this YT, he will be automatically directed to youtube.com. So here is the way to create a hyperlinks with the LinkedIn post. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.